Welcome guys, in this video, we are going to look at top 5 best adjustable beds for snoring currently available in the market. Snoring and sleep apnea are sleep conditions that can range from annoying to hazardous to your health. There are many ways to reduce the symptoms, and adjustable beds can provide some relief. If you've been looking for the best option for these sleep disorders, you've come to the right place. The snoring may not affect the sleep cycle and sleep architecture, but heavy snorers tend to feel lethargic throughout the day. Contrary to popular belief, snoring does not mean that person is in deep sleep. To reduce snoring or other issues like sleep apnea, it is recommended that one should sleep on an incline. Sleeping on your back on a flat surface will get it more aggravated. But selecting the right adjustable bed specially for snoring is not an easy task. That's why we did research for you and providing key information to make your selection easier. Let's get started. Number 5. Kibno 12-inch Gel Cooling Adjustable Bed. The Kibno Combo is the best memory foam adjustable bed for snoring and sleep apnea. It includes both the frame and a high-quality memory foam mattress. With the wireless remote, you can move the bed around to eliminate snoring and help you sleep better. It has various presets to reduce snoring. Enter zero gravity mode, lie completely flat, or lie comfortably to watch TV. Each time you choose a setting, the bed moves quickly and quietly into position. Number 4. Idealbed 5i Adjustable Bed Base. The Idealbed 5i is the best massage adjustable bed for snoring and sleep apnea. It has one of the most adjustable head sections, allowing you to move it up to 75 degrees. You can also move the foot area up to 45 degrees. It has one of the best massage functions. It uses deep sonic vibrating massage with varying intensities, which can improve your circulation and reduce pressure. While this won't help your sleep apnea, it can relax you and help you fall asleep. Number 3. Classic Brands Adjustable Bed Base. The Classic Brands Affordamatic 2.0 is the best budget adjustable bed for snoring and sleep apnea. It is significantly cheaper than many other brands without compromising on overall quality. You can adjust the head position up to 65 degrees and the feet up to 50 degrees. This extensive range allows you to play around with the settings to see what suits your body. Additionally, you can control everything from a user-friendly wireless remote. Number 2. Sven & Son Adjustable Bed. The Sven & Son Platinum is the runner-up for the best adjustable bed for snoring and sleep apnea. Although it is one of the pricier adjustable beds, it includes a premium mattress and other high-end features. The adjustable frame allows you to change your head's angle up to 75 degrees and your feet up to 45 degrees. It also has presets to eliminate snoring, lie comfortably while watching TV, and enter the zero gravity mode. You can play around with different settings to see which ones help your sleep apnea. Number 1. Blissful Nights E4 Adjustable Bed. The Blissful Nights E4 is the overall best adjustable bed for snoring and sleep apnea. It is one of the most high-tech options, with multiple settings and inclusions. Although it isn't the cheapest choice, it can have many health and lifestyle benefits. Using a remote control, you can adjust the head and foot sections of the bed. This allows you to raise your neck while you sleep and reduce the severity of snoring. That's all we have got for this video. Hope you have got some helpful information. If you like the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys on next video.